Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Learn Arabic with Dina. Today I'm going to teach the name of colors in Arabic. But before we start the lesson, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share the video with your friends and follow my page on Facebook and Instagram. Are you ready? Let's get starting. We have a collection of colors in Arabic. The first one named أحمر. Red color in Arabic named أحمر. أصفر. Yellow color in Arabic named أصفر. 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 أخضر. أخضر. The white color in Arabic named أبيض. 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 The black color in Arabic named أسود. 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 رمادي. 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 The gray color in Arabic named رمادي. This is the color mix of white and black. رمادي. أزرق. أزرق. The pink color in Arabic named وردي. 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 The orange color in Arabic named برتقالي. 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 Repeat after me again. The orange color in Arabic named برتقالي. The purple color in Arabic named بنفسجي. 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 The brown color in Arabic named بني. 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 And now, if you wanted to ask the person what is your favorite color in Arabic, you must select you are talking to what? Male or female? If you are talking to a male, you will say ما لونك المفضل. ما لونك المفضل. ما it means what? لونك it means your color. المفضل it means the favorite. And if you are talking to a male, you must put فتحة on the top of kaf letter. ما لونك. ما لونك. ما لونك المفضل. If you are talking to a female or girl, you will say ما لونك المفضل. ما لونك المفضل. I told you ما it means what? لونك it means hair color. المفضل the favorite. And you must put كسرة under the kaf letter with a feminine case. ما لونك ما لونك المفضل. ما لونك المفضل. If you asking me ما لونك المفضل, I will answer you my favorite colors is pink and purple and black. In Arabic لوني المفضل هو وردي بنفسجي الأسود. And now I'm asking you, what is your favorite color? Tell me your answer in the below of comments and I will see it inshallah. And now I'm reviewing all the lesson. The colors in Arabic is أحمر. 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 أخضر. 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 أصفر. 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 أبيض. 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 أبيض أسود 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 وردي 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 برتقالي 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 بنفسجي 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 بني بني بني. If you wanted to ask the person what is your favorite color, if you are talking to a male you will say ما لونك المفضل ما لونك المفضل. If you are talking to a female or girl you will say ما لونك المفضل ما لونك المفضل. And the person will reply to you my favorite color is لوني المفضل هو like لوني المفضل هو الأصفر or الأزرق or الأبيض. لوني المفضل هو الوردي البنفسجي. I think this video is so easy and it's a fit for a beginner level. If you have any question please don't forget to tell me in the below of comments and tell me what is your favorite color. ما لونك المفضل or ما لونك المفضل. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson إن شاء الله. See you later. إلى اللقاء.